Hello, gbogbo ilé, mo kí yín o. Ibi tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́. Mi ò ní sọ much Yorùbá torí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ọ̀rọ̀ olóyìnbó ni o. I have in front of me here a document says reports of Sir Frederick Lugard, amalgamation of northern and southern government and administration, 1912 to 1919. The reason why I'm doing this is because there are a lot of wrong information táwọn èèyàn send káàkiri wípé àwọn mẹ́fà kan Aláàfin and one Yoruba man and some few people ni wọ́n sign document of amalgamation, and we tend to blame them for this amalgamation. This is completely wrong. In front of me, like I said, I've got this document. If I open the page, I'm not going to be long in this. There is bits I need to take your... I want you to take notice of. Àwọn ibi kan tí mo highlight ńbẹ̀ is the bit I'm going to read. This man, Mr. Frederick Lugard, he was once a governor of the country called Northern Nigeria. He worked there and eventually he was transferred to Hong Kong. And after the Hong Kong service, the Governor General, who was like the Secretary of State, I think his name was Mr. Harcourt, is the one that then gave him a new job. Is now to manage two countries together, which says he was to manage two countries together. And if I'm reading this document, it says here, I was at the time governor of Hong Kong, having previously been High Commissioner of Northern Nigeria from its inauguration in 1900. I was therefore, this is Lugard talking, I was therefore intimately acquainted with the method of administration there, for the creation of which I had indeed been responsible. Reaching England in April 1912, I was appointed governor of the two separate administrations simultaneously. Wọ́n gbé country méjì fún ẹnìkan kó manage. Then he just thought pé, okay, to make things easy for himself, I would lump them together. After spending several weeks in England to acquaint himself with the current views on some important matters, I proceeded to Africa, which is Nigeria now, in September 1912. I returned, he went back to England in the following March and submitted my proposal for amalgamation, which means in 1913 was when he gave birth in his brain to lumping these people together, which was, it was in May 1913, he submitted that to the king. I think it was a king that was their leader. They were accepted in September, that's the same year, 1913, when I returned to Nigeria. And on January 1st, 1914, the new government of Nigeria, as set up by fresh letters, patents, and other instruments were proclaimed. Yeah, this is the document. Please, let's stop sending wrong information that àwọn Nigerians mẹ́fà kan ló sign there and all this. This was one man and idea. Okay, if you need a copy of this document, it's available. I printed it out and it's one of the, as you can see, it's an old document, and these are the few information you could get from it. So please acquaint yourself with knowledge so that we don't start saying wrong things. And we get the fact right that this was one man idea, and that idea was completely wrong. And in one of his one of his writing, he said it was a union of force. I think that is that for now. That's a different thing. I will probably get back to you on this, but the main reason why I'm doing this short video is to let you know that kò sí Nàìjíríà kankan tó jókòó láti sign this document. It is not true. It is one man idea. It was his proposal. It was given two offices to handle at the same time, and he just thought he better lump them up. Thank you.